You got to drink.
Lemonade. Alright.
You could have picked anything. You got lemonade. You could have got Sprite, Fanta, Mountain Dew.
The fine line.
Nope, just, oh, there, yeah, fine line.
Sorry, see, reading is fundamental.
I only saw fine, so, you know, I was trying to correct you, I'm sorry. I was trying to. You guys coming in the pool with us?
So they jump off the boat?
No, they're gonna jump from there to there. But that's gonna go down, and then there's gonna be water there. So it's gonna be deep enough right there. It's gonna drop down and water is gonna fill it.
Oh, that's weird. They were crazy to do that.
Yeah, they got a big one. So they have to get a smaller one.
You coming to the pool with us after?
The smaller one didn't work.
Bad boy.
No, they brought in the big one.
Tomorrow basketball, right?
The big ones.
Ah. No, those are reserved.
No, down there.
But yeah, reserved. Anything past there is reserved. Look, they're holding signs that says reserved.
What? Yeah. No, oh, these are not. No, I was there.
Everything.
Oh, that's the room.
So, do you remember anything when you were born?
It was hard to get me out.
Okay, so you don't remember everything. Okay.
I'm scared.
For what?
I don't know. What if we get splashed?
Yeah, it got better.
They're gonna get splashed right there, where those benches are. There's no way water is gonna reach you from all the way up here. The fine line.
You said the fine.
Fine line. Fine. You gotta say it like that. Fine.
Doesn't that remind you what happened to the Avengers? Like Thanos came.
Yup. Damn up.
About 12. About 12. Around.
What you guys talking about?
Talking about the rooms. About 12.
For what?
These rooms right here, about 12.
12. What? Okay, what about 12?
Right here.
Okay.
12 grand.
Oh.
Before.
God dang, 12 grand.
That's nothing.
That's $12,000 is nothing.
They got 56,000 rooms. Like
That tells you that you're spoiled. That tells.
no. Compared to all the other rooms they got.
No.
The most expensive room is
I don't think I can record during the show.
per person.
Like, I'm 21. Clickbait. No, like really, really, really good.
I saw him down the hallway.
I took swimming lessons for a year.
You know, but they could be like half fish.
3 months.
3 months, but they took swimming lessons for like 20 years.
Oh, there's Uncle Brad.
There he is.
Where? Oh, there he is.
You don't see him?
Yeah, I see him now. I'm legally blind, don't you know?
It's not hard. The only person waving at you.
Isaiah, I told her, I was like, she was like, I'm 18, but you're too young because you're 15. I was like, hey, if you're 18, I'm 18. Hey. Yo, look at all these people.
How do they breathe underwater so fast? attached to a rope.
But still,
Yeah, you're right.
he's still doing it though.
I know, but it falls. But we're not thinking about him making. Oh, you got this.
You got it. You got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got this, bro. Come on. You got it? Whoa! Woo! No overhead. Jump now. Here you jump. Let's go, jump! Do it! Yes! Yes!
Look at the water!
They jump from that height. Will they die? Oh, she's going backwards. Oh, he goes!
We also have an incredible teamwork working very hard behind the scenes to bring this incredible show, this unique venue to life. Way up there, the sound of Lady with Mara on the sound, Sasha on the lights. Make some noise for them. Flying, we can see Nick and LJ look cool flying over your heads. Also, the next to rock on with Julian and Ryan, the ringers. We got some court cameras in the water, a whole team helping out backstage, overseeing everything way up there beside this guy. That's Alex, our production manager. Make some noise for him and everybody who works here now. So much.
We're going to the pool, guys. I didn't almost slip.
You almost slipped.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Don't tell no one. Are you bringing your little devicey there?
I'm bringing another GoPro that's waterproof.
Oh, that's a different one?
Yeah, it's waterproof. This one's not.
I wish I had a waterproof phone. I only have an iPhone 6.
Aha, mine's a 7. It's waterproof.
I don't care.
Yay!
I'm gonna break it.
No, you'll never find it.
It's in your pocket.
No, it's not. Huh? Why?
What else?
All right, and then we're going to the pool.
You see what time it is? It's at 11.
That's an hour. Yay.
Oh my God. Mom. Man.
Boo-boo.
That's like
Better than a kung fu fighting.
you look like Shrek.
Man, I'm fast as lightning. Oh, Poe's big. He a big fella.
You see that boy in a horror movie.
God dang, Poe is a big fella. Woo! Bro, you gotta stop feeding that man, bro. Mom, they feed Poe too many dumplings. That man's big.
You hanging out with them? We gotta go put some money. Yeah, I'm not ready. I'm on vacation. I don't need to go to bed.
I don't go to bed
We
at 10
got a day at sea. We ain't got to get up early.
Yeah.
Whatever.
We go to C-Day brunch.
What time is C-Day brunch? We gotta find out.
It's like it ends at 11.
No, use the car.
At this page, it's 12:23, Mom. Time to get their state room.
Well, are you guys getting in the pool? What are y'all doing?
I don't know. What are they?
The arcade. We're going to put money on your account.
Okay, yeah. You a little body. I'm a god. I'm a god. I'm a god. I'm a god. Am I a god? Am I God? I'm a god.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. No, you're not.
I'm a goddess.
No, you're not. I'm a god. I'm a god. Yes, I am.
This guy got nothing on me, bro.
I'll beat you in every single game.
What's up? Basketball, bro?
Yeah, basketball, I got you. I got you, man.
Dunk on me.
One-on-one. What's up, bro?
I'll be Dirk on you. I'll be like fade away, money.
Dirk whiskey or something.
Exactly. I got a 99 fade away.
2011.
Yeah. All right, we gotta go upstairs.
Y'all are going to the arcade, right?
Yeah, it's going upstairs. Man, I'm fast as light.
I was just going to go put money in that car and then I was going to go down there. I don't have my phone. My phone was dead and I plugged mine up. Oh, it's on the fourth floor.
Man, I'm fast as lightning.